You've got a new guitar, a new sound, a new feel, a new look, but something just isn't right anymore. At Garage Guitar Repairs, we aim to make sure that every guitar that you own is something that when you pick it up for the first time again, you want to take a step back and say, damn, that's my guitar. From beginner players to veteran players, this shop is here to make you feel comfortable about your depth of knowledge. What kind of strings do you like? What kind of music do you listen to? What kind of bands are you in? All of this equals out to making your guitar unique to you. With a one-on-one experience, we aim to make sure that everything you have with your guitar comes out exactly the way that you like it.